I spent 2,500 euros on a project I was not paid for. No client, no guarantee, just an idea, and that one project completely changed my career. It got me multiple paid jobs, helped me move from videographer to cinematographer, and taught me a valuable lesson. And by the end of this video, you will stop wasting money on gear you don't need and start investing in projects that actually build your career.
Und Action!
Hey, my name is Andy. I've been shooting for over a decade now. I started shooting BMX videos, then I got my first gigs like weddings, corporate jobs, branded content, anything that paid the bills. But deep down, I wanted to create cinematic stories, the kind of work that feels like film, not just content. If you ever felt stuck in the same spot, this video might just give you the push you need. When filmmakers talk about investing, they usually mean gear. A sharper lens, a bigger sensor, another monitor you don't really need. Look, I've been there. I bought too much stuff too. Cages, lenses, rigs, all that stuff that looks professional, but doesn't necessarily make me one.
Hello, Andy.
Hello.
What's your favorite scary movie?
Who is there?
Wrong answer. One last question. What's the best investment for a filmmaker?
It's a camera. That was me, thinking equipment was the only solution. But gear loses value, projects gains it. A few years ago I met a local camper van builder. They wanted a commercial, but only had 2,500 euros. Normally that would have been the end of the conversation. Instead, I said, let's make this an investment project. You get the film and I get the creative control. We kept the crew tiny, rented just the essentials and shot like a real campaign. Halfway through, our DP had to leave early for another job, so I stepped in. It was my first time shooting on a red and honestly I was very terrified. But that day forced me to figure out fast and I realized I was capable of much more than I thought. That film got me multiple paid clients, including my first real directing job. I'm going off script right now while editing the video. Here's what I learned. Even when a brand says you have full creative control, the moment they put money on the table, they would like to have a say. And honestly, that's fair. They're investing something. But that also means your vision starts to shift. So if you really want to create something that's 100% you, consider financing it yourself. Or even better, make a video for a fictional brand. That way you can focus on story and style and not feedback rounds. Okay, back to the video. A good spec project pays you in 3 currencies. Experience, you can fail fast and learn faster. Visibility, it shows your taste and storytelling voice. Confidence, you realize you don't need permission to create. Once you feel that, you stop chasing gear and start chasing ideas. No budget? Good. That's where creativity starts. Look around. A friend with a cool car, a dancer, a cafe, an empty rooftop. Build your story around what's possible. And don't do it alone. Other creatives need portfolio work too. And finish it, because a finished imperfect film is worth more than a perfect idea sitting on a desktop. Passion projects aren't just portfolio pieces. They remind you why you started. Because the best investment you can make is your own damn project. If you've been waiting for a client, a budget, or someone to say go, this is your sign. Give yourself a permission. Start your project. That's how you level up. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I will show you how to turn your spec projects into real paid work.